Hey traders, this is Chart247. I train traders how to trade in harmony with the market. So I want to do a quick market analysis of the pound US dollar ahead of the non-farm payroll coming up this afternoon. Okay, so we have the news coming up at 1:30 this afternoon, the 4th of October 2024. We have seen a strong decline in the pound. Okay, and this here you can see the move here. That's the first trend changing pattern, followed by the high. Then we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're expecting a new lower low based on the wave structure on the chart. I'm going to draw the waves quickly. So here is the wave 1, followed by 2, and this is the 3, and we are currently trading at 4. Hence, that's why we're selling. Okay, we've seen a pattern that gives us this is a momentum low, and this is the new momentum low that was made, and we have seen the correction of the momentum low. Okay, that is the structure, and once this price starts to break down, this will be a structure, but we have a high probability that the structure is intact. Okay, initial stop loss may be at the momentum, but that's a big stop loss anyway, but we can adjust our trades based on the thing. But technically you want the price to break down, maybe 2 fractals down here, 131.45, so that you can use this high as a stop loss. Okay, so this is what we have. We've seen the internal structure, higher low, then change of character, followed by pullback, and we have 1, 2, 3 breaks to the upside. That confirms the pattern. Okay, and any break of this area here should give us a strong move to the downside in the pound US dollar. Ahead of this one, once we break this low, because this, we can call this a trend changing pattern because this is structure wave 4. Okay, we need to see 5 waves down. How do we do that? Because now some people are buying this, and the market makers, based on their business model, okay, we've seen accumulation followed by manipulation. So the ideal thing we do is we use the Russell Fibonacci, and that will give us the next projection for the downside move. And that area is the 2618, and that is giving us 128.75. That is the destination move. That may not happen until middle of next week or something like that, because once we break this low, that confirms a trend. Actually, once we break this here, that confirms that the sellers are now getting interested in the are becoming interested in the pound again. This is yellow for that. Okay, and once we see a break of this 131.45, okay, we can use this high as our stop loss. Okay, for initial stop loss, we just want to, I'm looking at this on the 5 minutes chart. We can stay on the computer and see how the trade materialize here. Above here, you don't really want to be staying now if the price did not break here, and we start to see a break above this current high, which is the 131.75. you want to give it some space first. But if they start to close above here on the 15-minute chart, then you can close it. But this is just an idea anyway. The the employment report and the non-farm payroll, it's basically they've been waiting for it, and that is what you can see in terms of the profit taking that's taking place from yesterday. Okay, but we believe based on the pattern and the formation we can see on the smaller time frame, this is looking like the pullback. Okay, the rally high basically, and we expect a continuation of the trend in the pound US dollar. So I'm gonna pause this. Can see if we can update this trade when the news come out. Okay, so that's fantastic there. Okay, single move. We're coming to the momentum low now. Okay, look at that. Look at that. So price has broken the momentum low. The volume, we're waiting for the volume to come in. Very strong break. Trying to adjust my positions on the MetaTrader. That's done. We've come to the 1 of 8. Just like that. Just like that. That's the way we trade based on this move here. It's actually very important what has happened here, because the trend is still to the downside. As you can see, that single move alone, just that single candle from the entry, it's 3 pips. Okay, closed the one here. I'm leaving the one on the MetaTrader open. Okay, and this thing, once we close below this low, that's the target. Destination is 128.75. Okay, and that's it basically, guys. It's been a solid week for us in terms of the teachings and the boot camp, and I will be updating some trades next week as well, as we have for the next 5 weeks. This boot camp is going on, and we'll be sharing some of my insight as well. So guys, enjoy your weekend and God bless.